ChatGPT, what is the language of business, money, and finance that an accountant can help me better understand?
Accountants help people learn the language of business. Accountants help people learn the language of business, which is really a combination of accounting, finance, cash flow, risk, taxes, profitability, financial decision making. It's a language made of numbers, systems, and financial meaning. Here are some of the key languages or concepts they help translate. Accounting, the language of business. This is the core one. Accountants teach you how businesses communicate financially through income statements, balance sheets, cash flow statements, budgets, financial reports. These documents tell the story of what a business owns, what it owes, what it earns, what it spends, whether it's growing or struggling. Cash flow language. A business can be profitable and still fail because of poor cash flow. An accountant helps you understand inflows versus outflows, operating cash, burn rate, liquidity, working capital. This is the survival language of business. Financial intelligence. This is the ability to interpret numbers strategically. You learn profit margins, return on investment, ROI, debt ratios, break-even points, forecasting, financial leverage. This helps business owners make smarter decisions instead of emotional ones. Tax language. Taxes have their own vocabulary and rules. Accountants help decode deductions, write-offs, depreciation, credits, tax liability, entity structures, LLC, S Corp, etc. Understanding this can save businesses significant money. Banking and lending language. When dealing with banks or investors, accountants help translate terms like interest rates, debt service coverage ratio, DSCR, amortization, collateral, covenants, equity versus debt financing. This is critical for getting approved for loans and managing them properly. TASH, investor and wealth language. For growing businesses, accountants may also help with valuation, equity ownership, capital structure, retained earnings, asset allocation, exit strategies. This is the language investors and financially mature businesses use. Operational efficiency language. Numbers also reveal operational health. Accountants analyze cost structures, inventory turnover, labor efficiency, overhead, pricing strategy. This helps businesses become leaner and more profitable. The bigger truth: an accountant is often acting like a translator, a strategist, a risk manager, a financial interpreter. They help turn confusing financial data into decisions that improve stability, growth, profit, sustainability. That's why people often say, open quote, accounting is the language of business, close quote, because every major business decision eventually shows up in the numbers.